I get a number 7, please, with an orange juice?
I don't know the hot sauce.
Nope.
Would I complete the order?
Yep.
It's gonna be 702 first window. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hi, 702. Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please. Thanks, you too. All right, thanks. Breakfast, guys. Now let's go catch some fish. Whew. My wheel bearing is something's bad. I gotta figure out where I'm meeting him at before I'm taking off out of here. Well, I think I got the right lake. We'll see. Kind of feel a poo coming on. This is dangerous. I'm gonna have to. Hopefully the bathrooms are open at the lake, folks. I guess if you didn't watch the last episode, I just woke up from camping. My buddy sent me a message last night that he was free, so we picked a lake that was kind of in between both of us, from where I was at and where he's at. So here I am. 6:11 in the morning right now. So I should be at the boat ramp in 9 minutes. Let's hope it's the right ramp. So I'm going to a spot I've been to before. Fished it once this year. There's multiple lakes here and I don't really know exactly which one I'm supposed to be meeting him at. Said there was a train on the tracks somewhere. Well, morning guys, I found Kenny. You can see it's a different truck than last time. He smoked a deer with his, so lucky for him, he's got trucks at his disposal. So
Hang on.
all right,
Forgot to undo the hook.
we're gonna get this boat dropped in. It's kind of a bogus spot. There's a dock there, but there's no way to get down to it. Or like the dock's not in the water, so.
One more. One more. I think we're all right.
All right, boat's in. Let's see what we can do here. Yes, sir. Headlights. and she's locked up. All right, let's go get it on the water. I'm glad it warmed up a little bit. I was worried I was going to be freezing this morning. Let's see if I can make it onto the dock here without him crashing his boat. Yeah, it's not like they don't actually have the dock in the water. It's supposed to be another spot on here, I think. It's pretty close to the concrete on the ramp. And we've got a tree right here, so he's got to kind of shove it in the middle here and let me get on, but we'll see how it goes. I should be able to make it.
Backside's still at 9 feet right here. Oh wait, that gets shallow.
I was gonna say it's gonna have to get shallow really quick. That's good. And we're on, boys. All right, well, I'm gonna get some shit rigged on my rods. We're gonna figure out what we're doing here. And I'll get you guys strapped on the chest camera and we'll see if we can catch some fish. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, there's big swirls in the water. Can't see what any of it is though.
Or even a little bluegill, but I mean, you're 20 feet of water right here.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna get started fishing up here. I'm gonna start throwing a whopper flopper just because I've already got tied on. We're seeing a lot of stuff swirl on the surface, so might be able to catch something. It might just be bluegills and carp, but we'll find out. It's still early. The sun's not quite, up yet in the sky, so might as well try top water while we've got the chance. All right, whopper flopper. So there was 2 lakes here then that weren't connected?
Well, that's a private lake over there.
Oh.
But this dike ran all the way to that fucking side right there.
Huh.
So the flood must have blew that out.
Oh yeah.
There's no way they'd connect them intentionally, I mean, there's private houses over there.
There's the sun. It's deeper than I expected it to be right here. Oh yeah, there's a few down there.
Top layer theory.
Yeah, because they all seem pretty far down. Surprised we're in 15 feet of water still. That bank drops off quick, but obviously with the way it looks.
Is there a blow up here?
No kidding.
Just one? Nice one, but you want to start?
Nice save.
You didn't see that. There's some fish hanging right there.
Couple, yeah.
There's a little droppage. Oh, they're all hanging. Look at this. They're all hanging right here on this drop.
When it drops over, oh, I see a couple back here.
It drops from 4 to 14. Those are big fish marks right there.
Ouch. So we'll try this guy out. See if there's anything down there that wants to eat. There we go.
You're on?
Oh, yep, I'm on.
What?
Tiny little gill or crappie?
Crappie.
Tiny crappie. Well,
You set that hook, I thought you had a monster.
I did too. Tiny little crappie, guys. Definitely not what we're going for here, but if we could find some bigger ones, that wouldn't be bad. So we'll go ahead and get this guy back in the water. Hopefully they're not all that size.
All right, we're going jig and pig with a little fucking crawl on here.
You're still going like bass style? Oh yeah, you're a little bit bigger. Alright guys, I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna tie a couple different things on, and we're gonna try trolling a little bit. Since everything we're seeing is deep, we're not hitting anything, we're gonna set the rod holders out and we're gonna troll for a little while. So I'm gonna tie on a couple different things and see what we can do. There we go guys, so there's one of them. And then here's the second one we're throwing.
What do you got on?
2 deep divers.
How big?
Oh, a couple inches each. They aren't huge. One's like a silver shad looking thing. The other one's like a, I don't know, chartreuse and gray shad looking thing.
I got a flicker shad and a flicker minnow.
Oh, were you on already? There we go. Come on, come on.
Maybe not.
Is it a snag?
No, little fish.
Tiny little. How are we catching these tiny little fish trolling? This is not how this is supposed to go. Another crappie. That's about as small as the other one. Well, I guess you are running a pretty small bait.
Number 5 flicker minnow. But the bait's not much smaller than he is.
No, he was hungry.
All right, bud. See you, little guy.
Not too shabby.
Real shabby.
It's better than nothing.
I ain't happy about it. I ain't happy about it. You seen that pole go over? And then when I picked it up, I mean, there was just nothing there.
Well, that's when I caught that other one earlier. I set the hook and I was like, shit, it must have got off. Nope, just a tiny ass crappie. You try to make it through that?
Yeah.
We're gonna try to go through there, guys. We pulled our trolling setup out. We caught that one tiny little crappie, so we're gonna try to stick it back in that puddle area back there and see if we can change our luck. There's still just fish all over the damn graph. There we go, I'm on.
You're on?
Yep.
With what? Another little crappie?
Whatever it was came off. Crappie or bluegill.
The last time I was back here, now granted, this is pre-flood. This was just super shallow for you.
Helicopter coming right at us. They're coming for us, boys. It's weird, guys. What'd I get? Ooh, tiny little bass guy. Hey, bro. Chill out. Chill out, you little pickle. Now that you've got that out of your system. Well, guys, we hooked ourselves a monster, but at least we found a different species other than crappie, although the crappies were about the same size as this guy. We're trying to put something together back here in this little cut, so we're gonna go ahead and let this guy go, see if we can hook into a bigger one. I caught him on a tiny little crappie jig, since that's what we've been hitting. That's what I decided to throw in the water, but ended up hooking into this little pickle, so we'll toss him back. Thanks for playing. Guessing everything in here is pretty small. At least I'm gonna tell myself that, because I suck.
I don't know. I mean, like I said, it's been since before the fucking flood that I was out here.
And the flood could have pushed a lot of them out, or pushed something else in that ate everything. Gar, you know, if there is muskie in here, they're eating everything, you know. Is that water coming in right there? Is there something on the bank? Well, look off to your left. Oh, there we go. I'm on. There's it looks like there's water coming through. Okay. Well, wonder if all the bass are that size. Can you see them? Oh, god damn it. All right, another pickle. We'll get him back in the water.
He'll get himself back there.
Good to go?
Up there.
All right, guys, well, we're off the water. We caught a couple fish. Kenny once again got a crappie trolling.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we only picked that. That was the only one we got trolling, right?
The only one trolling, yeah.
I caught that crappie earlier, and then I caught a couple tiny little bass and one little crappie. It was a struggle bus out here today. Once again, we were marking a bunch of fish. Most of them were out deep, and we just couldn't get them to bite.
Nothing.
So, I don't know. Just before we got off the water, Kenny saw a big flash, and he thinks it might have been a musky fin. So we stuck around there and tried to toss in there, but we couldn't get anything to bite. So we're off the water. It's noon. Sun is high in the sky as usual. So we're gonna get out of here and call it a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.
Adios.